So today is so hot. I can't deal with this heat. I don't like it when it's hot. It's like 30 degrees, I think. And living in the flat is really hard. So we have a perfect idea where we are going to go and take the kids for a little bit. So we are heading to the location now. Hopefully it's not as busy, but it probably is because it's so hot. We found this when we was walking a couple of weeks ago, and the kids like it. Loses some energy, and it's so cooler there, so be better. We are walking to the place right now. It's still hot. Hopefully it will keep us cool.